How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a Kegel workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be side clam. So we'll do 10 reps, we'll do 10 sets, 100 total repetitions. This is probably my favorite Kegel exercise to do. So pretty happy that we're doing this. Let's get started. And again, it's not super intense, but it really does work wonders. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First set done. Again, not super intense, but you really feel it activating. Look at Sparky. Hey, Sparky. It's her birthday today. 3 years old. Pretty cool. We got her when she was 3 months old. Yeah, I kind of screwed up today with my whole calories because I'm eating, on the weekends I ate 2,000 calories, and during the week when I work, I eat 2,300, but I switched that. During my work days now, I eat 2,000, but on the weekends, I still eat 2,000 as well. So I was planning to have chickpeas a little bit later on, but I had these chocolates instead, so I can't eat the chickpeas, which is fine, but the chickpeas have a little more fiber, so they keep you full a little bit longer, but it's still okay. It's about calories in versus calories out. But I'm still waiting for my snack. I'm gonna wait probably 3.5 hours before I have it, and it's pretty sweet. It's 2 servings of bar mix peanuts, so it's kind of like a trail mix. Really good, pretty salty. And then I'm having beer, 2 beers with that. So it's gonna be amazing. I'm pretty excited. And again, you can drink if you want to when you're cutting weight. You just have to make sure you track your calories. And last night I had 1 beer because what happened, the wife bought a 6-pack on Thursday for Valentine's Day. We celebrated Valentine's Day a day before. So she bought a 6-pack. So I had, I had 2 beer. And then yesterday I had 2 beer too. And today I'm gonna finish it off. Have another 2 beer. And then the 6-pack's gone. So yeah, that'll be pretty good. I have another 4 videos to make, and then I will be sitting at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 14. 4 more videos left, and I will be at 18 vids. So that's pretty cool. Pretty productive day. I was up at 6:45, had a shower, ate, did my hair, got some coffee, started making videos at about 7:15. Did that till about 10. So did it for 3 hours. Now I started again at 3:15, and I made 2 videos. I'm probably gonna go somewhere after this, then maybe come back and finish off those 4 vids. We will see. But yeah, I like doing the morning YouTube sessions. It's probably the most productive. And then the evening sessions are kind of in the air because I'm less motivated. So it's kind of tough when you do 3 hours in the morning. It's kind of tough to get back at it and do another 3 hours as well. But again, I don't have to make 18 videos on the weekend. Generally, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I shoot for 18 videos. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I shoot for 9. That comes out to 90 videos a week, which is a crap ton. That's a ton of videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, this exercise is my favorite Kegel exercise. I love this exercise. I have a jawline workout after this, forearm workout, push-up, pelvic floor, ab. That's how it's going. So not too bad. The jawline and the forearm are pretty easy. The push-up, the pelvic, and the abs are the hardest ones out of all of them. So it's gonna be okay. Halfway done, you guys. Another, over halfway done. Another 4, after this, another 4 sets. We're killing it, you guys. We are killing it. I've been thinking about adding another couple of topics to the old YouTube channel. I'm thinking maybe back fat, but I'm not quite sure yet. I'm thinking maybe back fat, and then I would need one other one. I like doing 5-minute videos, so Back fat would be a 10-minute video for me because it is a workout vid, and my workout vids for the major muscle groups are 10 minutes long. I would then want a 5-minute video. So I don't know. I'm not quite sure what I could do that would be 5 minutes. I pretty well cover most. Like I got neck fat, turkey neck, I got face fat, double chin, jawline. Like I got all of those, so I'm not quite sure. Yeah, not quite sure. Okay, we'll do another 10. I'm just gonna lower this a tad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But yeah, last night I had the 1 beer, and oh my god, because I was cutting, like I cut weight all the time, but last night I was just trying out the 2,000 calories because again, generally yesterday was a work day. So when I got home, it was Friday, right? So instead of having 23, I only had 2,000. And at the time, I only had 1,850 calories. The 1 beer gave me the 2,000. So that 1 beer, holy crap, that actually made me pretty damn dizzy. Because again, the alcohol, how alcohol hits you has nothing to do with the amount of beer you have. I mean, it does, obviously it does, but it affects you way harder if you've not ate all day. Like it really, really messes you up pretty quickly. So I thought that was kind of funny. Two more sets and then we are complete. Whew. But yeah, pretty productive day. I had a good day so far. I'm kind of craving that snack. I really want that snack. I mean, I could have it at 5 or 6, but then, I mean, then I gotta go about 4 or 5 hours before I go to bed. Then I can't eat all night. So it's better to have it a little bit later on. Then you're kind of full before you go to bed. That's my understanding, or that's my thinking behind it. Okay, we'll do another set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But yeah, I also have to count my coffee because I did have 3 cups of coffee. So that's 90, that's 100 calories. So I have to add that on. And the apple's 50 calories too. So I might not be able to have the beer, to be honest. I might only be able to have 1 beer. I want 2. I do want 2. Maybe I'll have to push my calories to 2150. Ooh. It really doesn't make too big of a difference, to be honest, because I am dropping weight pretty fast. I'm averaging about 3 pounds a week, which is really, really good. That's pretty fast. Generally, people like to recommend 2 pounds per week, but I'm handling it pretty well. Another 10, then we are complete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just like that, really can't complain. That was a very good workout. And again, that side clam is my favorite Kegel exercise. I really feel it in my Kegel muscles, and it's a solid exercise to do. You can do more repetitions if you want. I find doing 100 total repetitions is more than enough for your Kegel muscles. I mean, you could do 20 reps if you want, do 10 sets. You can do 200 repetitions if you'd like, or you can do 5 sets of 20. That still gives you 100 repetitions, but you don't have to do as many sets. So if you're kind of in a bind for time, do that. Anyways, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Thank you.